everybody. So today we are going to be doing a activity where we're going to learn how to accurately draw the face. So how this is going to work is we are going to step by step slowly add one feature every time to each of the faces. So we're going to do one thing, we're going to repeat it, and then add a new step, and then add a new step, add a new step. And by the time we get to this last face here, you should be really, really good at drawing the face. Okay, so we're going to leave this first one blank because it is just the outline of the face. The first thing you need to do is you've got to draw the outline of the face. So they already took care of that for us. Next, we are going to divide the face in half by putting a vertical line going straight down the middle. That's going to help tell us where our nose needs to go and to help proportion out where the eyes are going to go correctly. All right, next, we're going to do the same thing. Divide that face in half. This time, we're going to add in the face going across. So we're going to divide it in half again. So this is going to help tell us where the nose and mouth are going to go. And this is going to indicate where those eyes are going to go. Awesome. So next, this line also tells us where our ears are going to go. So I'm actually going to kind of mark out on either side where those little ears are going to go. Great. Now we're going to add in the next step. So again, divide your face in half. Divide it in half again. Mark out your ears. All right, this time we are going to put in the nose line. So your nose is going to go right about here. Fabulous. This nose also tells us where our ears are going to end. So this will be the top of the ears, and the bottom of the ears go right to the edge of the nose. So we're going to mark that out. Fabulous. What we're going to do next, go ahead and divide your face in half again. Divide it in half, put in where those eyes are going to go. Put in your nose. Oh, don't forget your ears. Mark, mark, and mark. All right. This time, we are going to add in our mouth. Our mouth goes halfway between the nose and the chin. So I'm going to just put in my little mouth line. Great. So you can kind of see that the face is starting to come together. Alrighty. Now, divide your face in half. Divide it in half again. Put in your ears, tops of your ears. Put in your nose. Now we're going to put in the mouth. Don't forget the bottom ears. Now this time we need to put in our eyes. So the eyes should take up, you should be able to fit 5 eyes in the middle of the head. And what I mean by that is they should be about the same distance. So it's usually about this far apart. Might need to scooch it over a bit. It's a good thing I have my eraser. Okay. So I should be able to, if I did this correctly, so here's my eye, kind of like a little football. If I did this correctly, technically, I should be able to fit 5 sized eyeballs. So we're going to pretend that these dotted lines are 5 eyeballs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I drew these incorrectly, I should have enough space to put 5 eyeballs in. All right, great. So we got our eyes. Now this time, we're going to do it again. Divide your face in half. Now what do we do? Yep, divide it in half again. Put in your ear, your nose, your mouth. Okay, we're going to sketch in those eyes. So I like to put 2 little tally marks on either side. So you're going to draw a line like a rainbow. And on the other side, under kind of swoop like a smile. Rainbows and smiles. All right, this time I am going to actually put in an eyeball. So we're going to kind of fill it on in. Great. This time we're actually going to start to sketch in our nose. So in nose, and I'm going to flip this paper over, if I'm to draw a nose nice and big, I'm going to start with the bottom here. So kind of like a little U. I'm going to put another little U on the side and another kind of C shape on the side, so kind of like this. All right, so this is where the nostrils would be. And then we're going to put in the bridge of the nose. Okay, so kind of like a tree trunk. And then usually, just to give it a little bit of dimension, our nose kind of puffs out a bit. So there's our nose. So I'm going to try to do that kind of small here. So let's do that again. So we're going to start with the main part of the nose. We're going to kind of draw in a circle. I'm going to put two little semicircles on either side. We're going to draw a bridge going up towards the top of the eye. All right, fabulous. Okay. All right, let's do that again. Divide your face in half. Put in the nose. Put in the mouth. Mark out your eyes. Do a rainbow and a smile, rainbow and a smile. Great. Now we can put in the eye. You can even put in a pupil there, so we'll make them look even more realistic. So colored part of the eye, the iris, and then the pupil. Great. Let's put in the nose. Start with the main part, so a circle. Two little circles on either side. Draw the bridge up until you hit the top of that line. Great. Now we're going to put in our mouth. This is kind of where the mouth would open. So it's kind of like the slit between the top and the bottom of the mouth. So I'm going to do two hills, for the two little mountains for the top lip. And then we're going to curve it underneath for the bottom lip. This person has some really luscious lips here. Great. Actually, I want to put in some eyelids over top of these. This person needs some eyelids. Alrighty. Let's do it one more time. Okay. Divide your face in half. Divide your face in half again. Put in the mark for your nose. Put in the mark for your mouth. Put in a little spot for the eyes. Mark in the ears. We're just kind of laying everything out. Okay. Two football-shaped eyes. Rainbows and smiles. So the rainbow goes up top, the smile goes on the bottom. Eyeballs. Put in the nose. Put in the big part of the nose. Two little circles on either side for the nostril. Draw it up top to that line. We're going to put in, oh, I feel like his mouth is a little low. We're going to scooch his little mouth up just a smidge. Okay. One lip. Bottom lip. This time, let's put in some ears. So I'm just going to draw a little, almost kind of like a candy cane kind of shape for the ears. Awesome. We also need to put in a hairline. So the hair doesn't just go on the top, it comes down onto the forehead. So I'm actually going to draw in some hair. Kind of like that. Alright, beautiful. Now if you want to, we can, like I said, we can put in some eyelids. And even some eyebrows this time. Oh, we're getting fancy here. Great. All right, one more time. We're almost done, guys. You're doing great. All right, we're going to divide the face in half. Divide it in half again. Put in your nose, put in the mouth, put in your ears, mark out the eyes. Great. Now we're going to start to fill everything in. 2 football eyeballs. Draw them in. Put in the pupil, the black part of the eye. Doing some eyelids. Maybe an eyebrow. If you want to make it like girly, you can even add some eyelashes. Boys have eyelashes too. We're going to put in the nose. Start with the bottom part, 2 little nostrils on either side. Have it come up towards the top. Great. Put in the lips. Top lip, bottom lip. Put in the ears like a candy cane. Alright, put in the hairline. Okay. So you can have it short like this, or you can even add more hair on top. So if you want short hair, you can leave it short. If you want long hair, I know Josiah, some of my other friends are going to want the longer hair. So you can add that in. And we're going to put in a neck. The neck should come down from the ears and kind of flare out a little bit. Great. And there we have it. We have a face. I want to make her smile a little bit more. She needs to be a little bit more cheerful. Alrighty. So from there, we're going to eventually start our face. I would like you to make sure that this is glued into your sketchbook, please, so that you don't lose it. Alright guys, I'll see you in a bit.